How we doing today, people? It's your boy sPen, back with another video. Quick video. This is a Ringke Slim pen case. Of course, it's for your sPen edition for your Fold 3 or 4. All right. Not a whole lot around the box. All right. Ringke make pretty good stuff. I bought a few cases from them before and reviewed them. So I wanted to get this a try because I have some cases that I really like, but I like to carry my sPen, and they don't have a sPen slot or carrier for it. So I figured I'd get this a try. All right. All right, real quick. As you see, I picked it up from Amazon, and I paid, $14.99 or I think $15.40 or something like that after taxes. All right, shows you different images where you can pretty much attach it to any case. All right, I recommend a case with a flat surface. This case, I don't think so, because this is a texture threaded material, so I don't think it will hold as well as it would against a matte finish or plastic or metal case. Okay, so this is the pen case or pen holder I originally purchased when I got my Fold 3, and it served its purpose, but I wanted something a little more sturdy because I actually broke my original sPen. The tip, I broke it off in there, and I figured I need something a little more sturdy, so I won't do it again. But this definitely serves its purpose, and I haven't had to replace the holder at all. The adhesiveness is pretty durable. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and then we'll pop that on. Okay, I'm actually not gonna take this off. I really can't. I mean, I guess I could if I use my heat gun, but I don't know if y'all can see. And it's really on there pretty good. I've tried to peel it back pretty hard, but that bad boy on there. So we get a different case, and we'll try it. Let's try this one. Yeah, we'll try this one. I'll rough this one up pretty good. Anyways, pop it up on real quick. Shouldn't be too much of nothing. And that's how it looks. All right, little branding on the top there. And that's it. Smooth on the back. Sure, some adhesive on there. Yeah, so you peel this off when you're ready to stick it on the case. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I want it on this case permanently. I had a piece of 3M tape, and I'm just gonna stick it on there, stick it on the back of there, just so we can see it. All right, just cut off a piece of double-sided 3M tape. Let's see, so let's stick it here in the middle. Right there. All right, sPen should slip right in. Yeah, it's not really giving. Okay, yeah. There you can see. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. So it holds your sPen and protects the tip as well. That's definitely a bonus. Let's see how I look on my phone. All right. So that's how it looks on the back of your phone. Not bad. It'll hold a lot better, of course, once I permanently stick it on. But I don't think I want to stick it on this case. Not permanently. All right. All right. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. As you know, I get back to you about earliest convenience. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed, please turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I drop videos. It's your boy, Yes Man, I'm out.